back. We have reached the last chapter of the define phase, and here we'll discuss the 5S. When it comes to implementing a lean workplace, first thing to start with should be the 5S. Because 5S is all about finding day-to-day waste from the workplace, and it helps working efficiently. Goal of 5S is to standardize the way things are done across the organization. Disorganized work environments encourage wasteful business practices and hide underlying problems. They also create mental clutter and chaos. 5S provides a systematic approach for cleaning up, organizing and maintaining an orderly workplace. It lays the groundwork for visual workplace, eliminating visual and mental noise. Information is displayed so people do not need to ask for it. Let us see what are the 5S and how can it help in organizing the workplace. The 5S are 1. Sort or separate. It means to separate needed tools, parts and instructions from unneeded materials and to remove the latter. 2. Set in order or sit in. It means to neatly arrange and identify parts and tools for ease of use. 3. Shine or CISO. It means to conduct a cleanup campaign. 4. Standardize or CKISU. It means to conduct SARI, sit-in and CISO at frequent, indeed daily, intervals to maintain the workplace in perfect condition. 5. Sustain or SHISUKE. It means to form the habit of always following the first 4 S's. Simply put, 5S means the workplace is clean, there is a place for everything and everything is in its place. The 5S will create a workplace that is suitable for and will stimulate high quality and high productivity work. Additionally, it will make the workplace more comfortable and a place of which you can be proud. Developed in Japan, this method assumes no effective and quality job can be done without clean and safe environment and without behavioral rules. The 5S approach allows you to set up a well-adapted and functional work environment, ruled by simple yet effective rules. 5S deployment is done in a logical and progressive way. The first 3 S's are workplace actions, while the last 2 are sustaining and progress actions. It is recommended to start implementing 5S in a well-chosen pilot workspace or pilot process and spread to the others step by step. In your cafe, you wish to implement 5S in the kitchen area. Here are some activities listed which can be done. Categorize them in the 5 categories. Make use of the exercises for Lean Six Sigma training workbook, available in the resources section on Udemy. So far, we have learned about the concepts, tools and techniques used in the define phase. We learned the basic fundamentals and meaning of Six Sigma and Lean. We saw how the problems are solved. What are the strategies that are made use of? We covered voice of customer, CTQ, CPOC analysis, project charter. We also learned about the various Six Sigma metrics and how metrics are selected in the project. We now also know about the 8 wastes and 5S. We attempted quizzes and did some activities as well. And here we have completed the define phase. Next we are going to start with the measure phase. Take the phase end quiz, available at the end of this unit. Please do not forget to mark this chapter as complete. Help us help you in a better way by providing feedback on each lesson. Should you need any support, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching this video.